Today, the Missouri State Public Health Laboratory tested a second presumptive positive case for COVID-19.
Was Missouri Governor Mike Parson addressing that case from a press conference in Springfield today. Good evening, I'm Heather Lewis.
We're glad you're here once again at 10. I'm David Oliver. That positive case is a patient right here in Springfield. Want to get right to our Jesse Inman, who was there for the big announcement today. Jesse, break down the details. What do we know so far?
Yeah, with respect to the right to privacy for the patient, officials aren't revealing much about the identity of the person that's tested presumptively positive, and we'll get into what that means in just a minute. But here's what we know right now about the state's second positive case. Governor Mike Parson says the patient is in their 20s. That patient had recently returned from Austria, making this a travel-based case, just like Missouri's first case was up in St. Louis. That patient had recently gone to Italy. Dr. Robin Trotman from Cox Health says the patient had called ahead to one of their clinics before coming in for an evaluation. That clinic was emptied beforehand, before the patient arrived, and the patient was masked and put into a private room upon arrival and was tested there. That patient was sent home after testing and has been quarantined ever since, though we did not get an answer on when that test was performed. Springfield Greene County Health Department Director Clay Goddard couldn't confirm when the patient came back to the United States, where they had been since coming back, or whether or not they were a student at a local university. But it was made clear that the general public is safe. The general public is safe here, and they are working to trace the patient's steps as part of their investigation.
We will be making contact with anyone at risk from this patient, and if there is risk to the general public, we will make public announcements as such.
As of today, 73 people have been tested for COVID-19 in the state of Missouri. 71 people have tested negative. Only 2 people have tested positive. Both of these are travel-related cases. So far, there has been no community person-to-person transmission in Missouri.
Now back to that term, presumptively positive. That means that they tested positive here in Missouri, but those tests need to be sent to the CDC for official confirmation. Governor Parson says that right now the state lab has the capacity to test around 1,000 specimens, and that they'll have more coming in tomorrow from the CDC, but that's not including what commercial labs like LabCorp have. And right now we have not gotten a number on exactly how many total tests are available statewide.